As hurricane seasons become worse, it's going to cost more money for insurance companies to handle those damages. Now, the thing about insurance is insurance can be very specific. So for instance, some of these numbers, only 18% of Florida homes have flood insurance. And a lot of people may have wind insurance for wind damage, but not flood insurance. But you can see how hurricanes bring both of those, but you have to pay for both of them. Now, again, like I mentioned before, the way that insurance companies make their money is by not having to pay out. So if every single year the damages get more extreme, they have to pay out more and more, they're going to run out of money to pay. They're going to have to continue to raise their price. Like, this is a legitimate problem. This isn't going to be just like, oh, we're just being, insurance companies are just being greedy and they don't want to help people. But if every year hurricanes literally destroy half of the city, I mean, what kind of business do you even have? People can't live there. You know what I'm saying? Like, people aren't going to be able to live in these places, and these places are going to be completely impossible to insure in any type of meaningful way. So again, only 18% of Florida homes have flood insurance, but that's going to be a big problem. And Florida homeowners already pay 3 times the national average for property insurance as it is. So again, you can see how but as these conditions continue to get worse, insurance where? Insurance what? I mean, who's going to want to get into that business? And it's not even going to be something that the government's going to be able to completely handle. People are literally not going to be able to live in places that we've been living for, thousands of years. But we're not going to be able to live there anymore. So that's what we're dealing with. But I think, I just thought that it's important to remember, again, that, and we got the Republican Party, Florida governor, who really isn't all that bothered with climate science. So not only is the problem bad, it's going to continue to get worse as long as Republicans are in office, which is why we have to make sure we get them out of office, but not just with any old Democrat, with progressive Democrats, as we know. But again, that's just really going to be an issue. That's really going to be an issue.